welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Amira. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of Clearwater Beach's newest resorts. It's called the Opal Sands Resort and it's right on the tip of Clearwater Beach. You actually have oceanfront rooms throughout the hotel. There's not a single room that doesn't have a great view. We were fortunate enough to be able to stay in one of their corner suites, and I wanted to share that room tour with you guys and show you around the resort. Feel free to leave any questions below and I'll get back to you guys in case you want to know anything else about the area. So here's our room at the Opal Sands Resort. There's a place up front to leave your luggage. This is an extra bathroom, so this is just a half bath off the living room. They literally just finished cleaning our room. She said that they're running super behind. We're checking in on Wednesday afternoon, so that was surprising to me. We got here around 3 and we waited until 4:30 till our room was ready, so not too bad. And there is a full-size refrigerator here. And let's see what they have inside. So they have a decent selection of pots and pans. And then they have enough dishes here. It looks like sets of 6 for glasses, coffee mugs, plates, bowls. There's no oven here, but there is a full-size microwave, which is probably a convection oven as well. And they do have a 2-burner flat-top stove here. There's a knife block, and here's the dishwasher. They do have a pantry on each of these suite floors as well, to where you can go down the hall and they have snacks, waters, and fruit throughout the day. And then this sofa lets out into a full-size bed. The balconies actually start here in the living room, and they look out over the bay and out over the Gulf of Mexico. So you have an ocean and bay view, which is gorgeous. This is a wraparound balcony, so because we're on a corner suite room, you get both sides. I'll take you out here on the balcony. Other part of the balcony here goes into the bedroom, but I'll go back in through the living room so you guys can see that. So this is the entrance to the bedroom, and it's quite a spacious bedroom here. And I'll let that focus so you guys can appreciate those views right from your bed. You have a huge TV in here in addition to the living room. And then here's your closet here. And this is the only full bath with a shower. So if you have guests staying in the other room, they can share this for the shower, but then they have their own powder room to themselves. And you do have a full-size shower here. And then you have a nice garden tub. And then here's the toiletries that they offer here. These are from Nest brand, which is really nice. I've used Nest fragrances in the past. This is the Ocean Mist and Sea Salt. This is a body cream. They have a conditioner here. Here's the shampoo. And then they also have the same type of bath bar, and then they have a facial bar as well. And then they have a loofah sponge here for us. And then they also have Press with Scope mouthwash, a magnifying mirror here. They have a scale in here. And then this is the separate room where there's a toilet, which that's nice to have that separate in case you have different people need to use the restroom and shower. And so that's the tour of our hotel. They have a pantry. And in here you can find fresh fruit every day. Normally there's cookies as well. Also have bottled water for you.